Computers are electronic devices that are built out of hardware, physical devices which are used to enter, process, store, and receive information in order to manage and control these devices. Software is used. Software is defined as a set of instruction data of programs that are used to operate computer and perform a specific task. Type of software. There are two main type of software. System software. These refer to the set of useful programs that can be found in every computer. One of the most important system software is operating system. System software is a type of program that is designed to control and manage the computer's internal and external resources. If we think of computer as a layered model, the system software is considered as a primary interface between the hardware and use applications. Application software. These refer to programs written to carry out a certain task of the user, such as writing text, making spreadsheets, editing image, and browsing in internet. Some application software is specifically designed to meet the targeted demands of managing system at school and medical centers. The core purpose of the system software, specifically the use and the interaction of the hardware and software, provide an aid in controlling the hardware and software of the computer, optimizes the active events and performance of the computer. Type of software. There are four basic type of system software: operating system, device driver, utility program, language trans, translator. Operating system. The operating system is a system software that controls and manages all operating of the computer. Computer do not function without an operating system. Operating system subsequently. It is the job of an operating system to make sure that the necessary op- operations of the computer hardware and software are working properly. Functions of operating system. Some of the main functions of an operating system are to do the following: booting process completes its own loading into the main storage of once the computer starts. Security management manage the security of the user accounts. Application management enables the user to install and use the application program of the computer. Memory management organization the use of memory and processing time between user and programs. File management enables the user to save, load, delete, rename, print, and copy files. Device management controllers the use of peripherals such as disk drivers and printers. Coordination between software and user provide an interface between the user and the computer. Software and hardware. Some of the most common operating systems are Android, Mac OS, Mac DOS, Chrome OS, BlackBerry, Slides, Linux and Microsoft Windows